I am Guangzhao Mao. I am the head of school of UNSW School of Chemical Engineering, also a professor here. Yeah, what my experience as an international hire, so that's a really good question. First, I have to say that the academic system here is very different from the system in the United States, where I spent most of my academic career. In terms even these core academic processes, like hiring, tenure and promotion, also in terms of the composition of the student body, student campus life, even the length of the PhD program, all these are very different actually between these two countries. With that said, the fact that I actually could function in the first months I was here, I think speaks volume to the fact that we must share a lot of common ground, right? In fact, I think the school has done really well in the last few years in terms of research funding, and this year we saw also a significant increase in our new student enrollment. So I attribute that actually to really the great people in the school. I learned from real experience when you step into a high quality place, with high functioning people, I mean both academic staff and also non-academic staff, students, student societies, it really makes my job much easier. And I felt that when I came here on day one, people here accepted me as their head of school. I think more importantly, they accepted me as their colleague, so we can work together, and that is very, very important. I think I also give myself some credit, to be willing to learn new things and to adapt to a new environment. Yeah, so I was unfortunate in some way to start my work here at the same time as the start of the COVID-19. So I would say all the major changes have to do with the fact that we had this sustained global pandemic. I think there are major changes now because of that. How we interact with each other, how we work, how we teach, how students learn. All these, I think, have experienced fundamental changes. Now, looking at the long history, actually, it's not that long. 75 years of history of UNSW. It seems 75 years seem to be a lot of years, but in terms of global universities, UNSW actually is still quite young. So to me, it is actually remarkable. UNSW has achieved such great global reputation. For example, high global rankings. We are now ranked number 19, according to the most recent QS global ranking. I think it's remarkable. But I also suspect in the next 75 years, UNSW will probably look beyond, just having high rankings. I would love to see, the first homegrown Nobel laureate coming from UNSW, and some inventions that people would actually instantly connect with people from UNSW. That would be great. Yeah, actually, of course, as I said earlier, I actually didn't know much about UNSW when I came here, but I was able to work because people here are just so supportive and collaborative. So I appreciate that. But mostly because of the pandemic, 2 or 3 years, I think I lost time. And now I wish I had more time to establish global and cross-disciplinary partnerships. I didn't get a lot of time to do that. If I had more time, I would like to actually do more in that area. Excited to host our school's own 75th anniversary celebration. I look forward to welcoming our alumni to this event coming up.